Introducing the 2024 Billiard Gray Harley Davidson Ultra Limited, a masterpiece of design and power that defines the ultimate touring experience. This iconic motorcycle boasts a sleek billiard gray paint color that not only turns heads but also reflects the essence of sophistication and style. In terms of dimensions, the Harley Davidson Ultra Limited provides a perfect balance of comfort and agility. With a well-proportioned chassis, riders can expect a smooth and controlled ride, making every journey a pleasure. The attention to detail extends to the fuel tank, offering an impressive fuel capacity that ensures fewer stops on the open road, allowing you to go the distance. Underneath the striking exterior lies the Milwaukee 8 engine, a powerhouse of an engine, delivering exhilarating performance. The precision-engineered powertrain of the 2024 Ultra Limited guarantees a thrilling ride. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through city streets, expect nothing less than a commanding presence on the road. Powered by cutting-edge technology and engineering, when it comes to fuel efficiency, the Ultra Limited doesn't disappoint. With impressive miles per gallon, this motorcycle ensures you spend more time riding and less time at the pump. Enjoy the freedom to explore without the constant worry of frequent refueling. The Ultra Limited's state-of-the-art infotainment system is a piece of cutting-edge technology that transforms every journey into a sensory adventure. The intuitive touchscreen display, strategically positioned for easy access, puts control at your fingertips. Seamlessly sync your smartphone via Bluetooth, enabling hands-free communication and music streaming, all while staying focused on the road. Immerse yourself in a world of premium audio, where the Ultra Limited sound system elevates your ride with crystal-clear acoustics. Navigation becomes a pleasure with the built-in GPS, offering turn-by-turn directions on the vibrant display. The Harley Davidson Ultra Limited's infotainment system is not merely a feature, it's a symphony of connectivity, convenience, and entertainment, ensuring that every ride is an unforgettable journey into the future of motorcycling technology. The suspension system is designed to provide a smooth and comfortable ride, even on challenging terrains. Whether you're cruising along the coast or navigating twisty mountain roads, the Harley Davidson Ultra Limited suspension absorbs bumps and vibrations, ensuring a plush experience for both rider and passenger. In summary, the 2024 Billiard Gray Harley Davidson Ultra Limited is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of luxury, power, and unmatched craftsmanship. Get ready to embark on a journey of endless possibilities with a machine that embodies the true spirit of the open road.